Hi there, back with another video, and OMG, what happened to my room? Well, actually, I'm having a new paint job in the next couple of days, so I had to clear all of my my cars, my action figures. So yeah, just one last look at my wall before I have them painted in a brand new color. So, well, not to worry. I've actually placed my my models as well as my action figures in at my attic, which I will show you guys right after this. So it's getting a bit dark up here because this is my attic, and yeah, just take a look at this. Now, in case you're wondering why is there a bed up here in the attic, well, this was actually my room for a couple of years when they were when my brother was living here as well. So he had the room uh, down there, whereas I was just shoved up in the attic. So yeah, here I've still got all my models. Well, obviously it's not decorated nicely because this is only temporary. So just to show you guys, or basically just giving you guys some enjoyment looking at the models. Well, it's a bit dark over here. So these are all the 1/18 scale models. Well, some of these are the Hot Toys 1/6 scale action figures. Yeah, sorry about the lighting. Just give me a moment. I'll just turn on the light. That's better, right? So, just running through the models one more time. So yeah, I mean, this is also where I keep my Hot Toys boxes. So yeah, just a quick one. Well, in case you're wondering, this is a diorama, but I've got no idea why it's in my room. I guess my dad bought it for some reason. So yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to show you guys. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.